What's up, guys? Okay, so just short video. Got my new Bamboo P1S 3D printer. It's been amazing. My last one is like 4 years old, and so this one is. It was a great upgrade. I really needed it. So I just made a piggy bank, and this was a 19-hour print. Then there's this, which is a top. It has these rails to kind of help keep it in place. So that's what that looks like. So now I just need to either super glue or epoxy it on, and then we'll be set. I do wish I put this a little more forward. Looks a little strange chilling in the back so far, but that's okay. And yeah. So I'm just gonna kind of run through the main steps I went through designing the money box. So of course we started off with this outline, then extruded that, and extruded that, filleted the corners to make it smooth, and then when I throw on my logo I can't just like type it in because this is an actual letter, so I have to draw it out, and then I extruded that, and that's it for the base. So just a few things about the design of the box. I have so this insert, and normally piggy banks just have like a slit just straight down, but I didn't want like me trying to grab money out from it, so that's why I put it in at this angle so it goes in and then down, so I can't like try to get it out. This would make it a lot harder. And then I also epoxied the lid to the box. Anyways, but that's the money box. Thanks for watching this video. Keep an eye out for the next one.